Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix or repair Microsoft Office 2021. So on my Windows 11 PC here, guys, let me go ahead and open up my install apps, and you can find your install apps by simply right clicking on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on install apps. Another way you can access this is by clicking your Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, and you can type in the install apps, right? You can type in that, it's going to open the same thing, or go directly to control panel, right? So if you're using an older version of Windows as well, you can go directly to control panel, then go to programs or auto remove programs, or you can see this uninstall program here. You can click on that, and here you'll find all of those applications here on your computer, right? So you'll be able to find your Microsoft Office installed here as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go from the section of install apps. So I'm going to right click here and go to install apps here. Now here you want to go ahead and find the Microsoft Office. So you can use a search at the top there to type in Microsoft, and you should be able to find the Microsoft Office 2021 on your computer. Now, what you want to do, you want to try to click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you'll have modify. You want to click on that. You'll get a pop-up, simple click on yes, and this is going to take you into the repair. So here you can do a quick repair on Windows. So you want to try the quick repair first by simple go ahead and just click the repair button. The one that is automatically selected is the quick repair. So you click the repair and allow that to do the repair and see if that fixed the issue. If this does not fix the issue, you want to go ahead and do the online repair. Keep in mind that you need to have active and a stable internet connection straight through the entire process so that it can try to fix the problem for you. This should in fact fix it for you if the first option does not work. And in the worst case, if none of these options works, you want to go ahead and uninstall the application by simple clicking on uninstall the application, fully restart your computer, and then once your computer is back up and running, you want to install the Microsoft Office again, and that should go ahead and fix the issue for you guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.